Hey there, YouTube. Thank you for tuning in. My name's Tim with Jeepin For Exploring. Today it's a weekday. I'm off work, and I thought I would just get out a little bit. Normally I don't have any weekdays off. For you that don't know, I normally drive a truck during the week, so usually mostly just weekends I'm home, sometimes not every other weekend. So anyways, I just thought I would get out and about today. I'm going to drive down, I think I'm going to drive down around Glade top. Even though I live close to that, it's down there in the Twain National Forest, I never really got down there and explored that much. The wife and I just kind of drove through there in passing, like on some of the main roads, which are, you know, not technical or anything. They're just more like gravel roads. Pretty, but anyways, there's some trails that run off there. I see a lot of local clubs that go down there a lot. I kind of went down one trail one time, but it was my wife. She used to have a Jeep Renegade, and we went out a little ways, but for obvious reasons I didn't really trust that thing, or so we didn't get it too deep. But ever since we've got into the bigger Jeeps and got Wranglers, I had a Gladiator, got a winch and all that stuff. I haven't really went down there, and so I thought I might just run down there and check out a few trails while I've got a few hours to kill, and take y'all along for the ride, and hope you stay tuned and enjoy this video. So as we got a little farther south and got up in some elevation, there's still some snow on the roads out here. Nothing like what it was over the weekend, but it's been cold enough that it's been keeping some on the ground and everything. You see my last video, you've seen what we ran into, and today obviously isn't nothing like that. It's just, maybe a half inch on the ground or something like that. But anyways, everything's pretty frozen, so I don't think we're going to have to worry about mud out here today. It's mostly just kind of rough. Everything's kind of frozen solid, don't have any give to it. So, but anyway, we'll mosey on down here and see what we can find. So one thing about wheeling in snow, we came across this creek bed. It's flowing pretty good right there, but it's hard to tell what's the creek. I'm gonna assume it ends right there, and that's maybe solid, I hope. But it's a beautiful area down here. Bluff line goes on around there. I like to see this when it's flowing. Anyway, let's see if we can get going up the trail. Yeah. See, I did not see that. That was underneath the snow and I fell through. And it was deep. Let's hope I didn't tear anything up. Let's get out of here. I gotta go pick up my wife. Let's see what happens. Well, I think this is as far as I'm going today. As much as I hate turning and backtracking, there's really not a way around this, and I started down it. And you can see how far I buried the ice. So, luckily I was able to back out of it, so I'll take that as nature's way of telling me to maybe next time. Wow. Yeah, I definitely I underestimated that trail a little bit. Obviously, I hadn't been down it. Made a few rookie mistakes. Number one, I really don't plan or recommend anybody going out way out in the middle of nowhere where there's no service and everything, without some kind of GPS emergency service like Garmin. Garmin makes a little one. I'd forgive me if I can't remember the name of it, but anyways, with that being said, we had to backtrack, turn around out of there. It's not usually what I like to do, but sometimes it happens. That's just the nature of the beast. So anyways, we're gonna get out of here. We got to make our way back toward town. I got to pick up my wife from work. And anyways, just thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure and hit that like button, and also we'd appreciate it if you would like to subscribe for us and keep an eye on our future videos and see what we have planned after this. Anyways, as always, keep exploring, and we'll see you next trip. Later.